Right, Alice, so 54 so far is your best mark. 79 you're anticipating. Boy, I hope that's a realistic estimate. I'd be chuffed. Let's see. So those three are okay. 250 cubic millimeters is very small. A millimeter cube is like a grain of sand. Well, a large grain of sand, but still a grain of sand. That is what they're looking for that one there. So you've only got 3 there. That's a good method. 11 for that first page. That is correct, and so is that. The order of rotational symmetries is how many turns you can turn that in a complete 360 turn and it looks identical. It isn't 8, it's 4. You turn it a quarter of a turn and that would move there and that would move there and so on. So that would be 4, and this one only looks the same when it's turned upside down. So that would be 2. Cylinder cone tangent radius is good. 6 marks. That is fairly close. Is it going to be within tolerance? Hello, from right of the P in passes to the left of the R. That is good enough. Obtuse is good enough. 54 is not good enough. Centimeters cubed is. 54, what you've got there is 4 cubes in the back, 3 layers, 4 threes are 12. So that is wrong. Impossible, unlikely, and even chance is good. 3, 4, 5, 6 for that page. It's not minus 40, it's minus 50. It's not minus 50, it's minus 70. That is correct, and that one is might be right for yours. Hang on, question 6. Follow through there, A minus there, B. This is 10 meters. That's fine for your wrong answers. So that's 2. £2.40 is right. 81 pence is right. 7 for the page. That is correct. £13.11 is right. So normal week is that much. 4 extra hours worked. 52.44. Perfect. 8 marks. 11. Good stuff. 9A is right. No A squared there. Oh, sorry, 9A is wrong. It's 9A, take away 1A is 8A. 21, that one's correct. That one and that one are correct. So take a look at my video clip for those. You should be able to do those. 6 for the page. 4 marks there. Well done. Excellent. Okay, that's something we will be practicing. I'm sure you would have practiced those back in the higher tier as well. Okay, your line of best fit is good. Needs to be going through 32.28, which yours does. But you haven't worked that point out. So the mean of the y values, you practiced averages. The mean means you add up the y values and divide by however many there are. 27 inches is right. Well done. This one is not right. It's Pythagoras, which again you would have practiced in the higher tier. So you would have done 36 squared, 27 squared, added those two together, and then square rooted your answer. So you would have done 1296 plus 729 square rooted would give you the answer, the screen size. Pythag, have a look through your old notes. That's a nasty question. What you have to do there is know that the outside angles in a polygon, in any polygon, add up to 360 degrees, and then create an equation using that fact. So you would have done 3x plus 2x plus 38 plus x plus 34 equals 360, and solved it from there. Take a look at the video clip for that. You should have been able to work that one out just using your intelligence. The 40th term of the sequence, so that should be 40 squared. And this is going up in 12s. We did this in Reg the other morning, you may have arrived late. So it's going up in 12s, so it's a 12n rule. If the first number was 12, it would just be a 12n rule. But because we've got to make it 7, we've got to take 5 off. 2.5 is too big, 2.4 is too big, 2.3 is too small, 2.35 is too big, so x equals 2.3. Good. Okay, 79. Let's see how close you get. 11, 17, 23, 30, 41, 47, 55, 57, 61, 65. So 73 is a little bit high, but 65 is good enough. That gets a C. And if that says 15 minutes, and that's how long it took you to do the paper, well, think of the time you wasted that you could have gone back and tried those questions that you've left out. In particular, the sequence questions, you should certainly have been able to do those. Nevertheless, Alice, well done.